Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. No boss, no 9 to 5 grind, just consistent income flowing in every month. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, let me show you how it's my reality, and how you can make it yours too, in 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing my personal journey of making $1,000 a month in passive income, and I'll break it down step by step so you can start your own passive income stream in 2025. Trust me, if I can do it, you can too. Let's start with the basics. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it all the time. Unlike a regular job, where you trade hours for dollars, passive income works even when you're not. It's like planting a tree. There's effort in the beginning, but once it grows, it keeps giving back. Think royalties, rental income, or dividends. Excited? Let's dive into the ideas. I currently make $1,000 a month from these streams. Digital products. I created an ebook on a topic I'm passionate about, and I sell it online. Platforms like Gumroad or Amazon Kindle make it super easy. Dividend stocks. I've invested in companies that pay out quarterly dividends. It's a slow burner, but incredibly reliable. Affiliate marketing. By recommending tools and services I actually use, I earn commissions whenever someone signs up through my links. YouTube ad revenue. Yes, videos like this one generate income through ads, and it's entirely passive once uploaded. Rental income. I rented out a small property I invested in years ago. It's consistent and hassle-free with the right management. Passive income ideas for 2025. 5 ideas. Now that you know my story, here are the top 5 passive income ideas for 2025. AI tools as a service. Leverage AI platforms like ChatGPT or Notion AI to create unique subscription-based tools. Online courses. Teach something you're good at. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it beginner-friendly. Print-on-demand stores sell custom t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases on platforms like Redbubble or Printify. Crypto staking. For those comfortable with crypto, staking offers a way to earn passive income on your holdings. Royalties from content licensing. Upload your photos, videos, or music to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Segment 4. How to start step by step. Getting started is easier than you think. Here's a step-by-step plan. Pick your niche. Focus on what you're passionate about or good at. Research platforms. Choose platforms that align with your idea. Start small. Don't wait for perfection. Launch and improve as you go. Automate. Use tools to handle repetitive tasks, like email marketing or content scheduling. Reinvest. Funnel your earnings back into scaling your passive income streams.